What is crystal pattern? The crystal pattern is thus the generalization of crystal structures to any pattern, concrete or abstract, in any dimensions, which obeys the conditions of periodicity and discreteness expressed above. How do I identify a crystal pattern? It is difficult to identify crystal stemware manufacturers who made glass between the 17th and 19th centuries. But by the 1820s, companies started to manufacture crystal stemware in large quantities with manufacturers' marks. There are several methods for identifying crystal stemware, but they vary in accuracy. The best way is to first identify the pattern and the manufacturer. What is a good crystal brand? Here are some of the most popular crystal marks. Baccarat. If time were the litmus test of excellence in crafting crystal, Baccarat would simplify be at the top. What is the rarest crystal on Earth? Pinnate. It was discovered in Burma in 1951 by British geometologist Arthur Charles David Payne, and for decades only two specimens were known to exist. Pinnate is considered the world's rarest mineral according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Pinnate, very brown to red and extremely rare.